Hey there, I'm Jane, and I'm curious. What are you doing to celebrate Mom this Mother's Day? You gotta create something truly special for the woman who is always doing the most. For you and for everybody else too. So let's go beyond brunch and create a beautiful moment she'll always remember. We're talking about tablescaping. So first, let's start with a tablecloth to bring a little softness to the whole setup. And then add a table runner. You can make your own using upcycled fabric or fabric scraps. Whatever it is, just make sure it matches. Next, I built the setting around the Blyss collection by our friends at Fortessa. It is bone china, so while it looks delicate, it's actually super durable. And yeah, it's totally dishwasher safe and microwave safe. That's a bonus because you'll be doing the dishes. I mean, just look at the scalloped edges and the translucent brushed color. It feels so modern, but yet so timeless. The place settings are perfect for a celebration made with love. And it's that kind of detail that makes your table feel curated, thoughtful, and a little bit elevated. Next, I added the gold-plated silverware from our friends at Fortessa. It is the perfect accessory to the table, and it gets the mwah, chef's kiss every time. Plus, Mom loves good accessories. And finally, the center of it all and the star of the show, besides Mom, is this juniper cake stand in pink with a clear dome on a fluted base. This beautifully beaded, romantic, and modern cake stand is totally photo ready. So, bake her favorite cake, make some brownies, or just zhuzh it up with some store-bought goodies. These are not for your mom. These are just for this video right now. And for the gift, give her something that lasts, like this iron skillet from Smithey. It's American-made cookware that's gorgeous, heirloom quality, and built for generations of family meals. Or you can get her this farmhouse skillet, also made by Smithey. And you know what? It's really just as much of a work of art as it is a cooking tool. You know, buy her both. She deserves them both. And then also get her the shoes, the jeans, and the earrings that she wanted to. Add some soft lighting, flowers, maybe a cup of coffee or mimosa. And you know what? Skip the crowded restaurants and make her feel seen, loved, and celebrated right at home with beauty, creativity, and a few gifts she'll treasure. It's these little details that can turn an ordinary day into something unforgettable. And that's what Mother's Day is all about. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, and don't forget, you're still gonna have to clean up and do the dishes. Mom's gonna go do something else. But she still loves you.